We just wrapped up the learning session. Just a little reminder, if you want to see more learning in the future, Vincent van Hoek, Ken Goldberg, and Sergey Levin are originating a new conference on robot learning, which will have its first edition in November 2017 with a deadline probably June or July 2017. All right, and Kostas will have a few announcements before lunch.
Yeah, let me give you some statistics about WAFR 2016 and how the process worked. So great news in terms of number of submissions. We had an increase of 37%, so we need to write this gradient for WAFR 2018. We are really thankful to our algorithmic robotics superheroes, the PC members, that during the dog days of summer that were reviewing WAFR submissions. This program would not have been possible without you. This was the largest PC committee for WAFR. At most 5 papers were assigned to each PC member, and we followed the bidding process. So it was about 1 month available for the PC members. About 25% of the papers had all reviewers agreeing, positive or negative. Then about 50% of the papers there was a discussion. It was much more polite than I'm displaying here. And we had about 50% of the discussed papers accepted for a total of 58 papers that appeared in the program, which matched exactly the acceptance ratio of WAFR 2014. We had the final manuscript deadline in October 31st. We recruited 58 respondents, starting from PC members that registered for the conference, which are now known as first responders. So now WAFR is a conference with first responders and dirty laundry. These are the 5 candidate papers in order of presentation in our meeting, and we thank the awards committee, Frank, Matt, and Nick, for going over the papers, and congratulations to all of these award candidates. But we're not done yet. We're going to be contacting all the authors. Because from this edition of WAFR, we're going to have the Springer edition. So there's going to be a January deadline for the submission. It will appear in the Springer proceedings in advanced robotics, which is slightly different from the STAR, which was tracks in advances in robotics. And there are going to be also invitations for about 20 papers to appear at WAFR special issues at IJRR and the IEEE transactions on automation, science, and engineering. So a big thank you to all of you for submitting papers and participating. And congratulations to everyone for being here.